Hi, I'm Anne.
And I'm Steve. Together we founded Perkier.
And we're on a mission to make the healthiest snack bars on the planet.
But we don't just care about your health, because every snack we make tastes good, does you good,
and doesn't mess up the planet. When I needed to stop eating gluten and dairy, I started looking for snacks, but they just weren't that healthy. So with my food industry experience, I thought we have to be able to do something better.
So we started making Perkier bars in our kitchen. Fast forward to today, and we're the fastest growing healthy snack bar brand in the UK.
We've sold 17 million Perkier bars.
We sell one Perkier bar every 10 seconds. We sell in thousands of stores, including Sainsbury's, Morrison's and Asda.
We have exponential growth on Amazon, and we're on their Launchpad programme for high potential SMEs.
The global market for snack bars is worth $22 billion and growing fast.
Consumers increasingly want to ditch the biscuits and chocolate and go for a healthier snack, but often they're crammed full of sugar, unhealthy fats like palm oil, and taste pretty.
Perkier bars are leading edge, operating in some of the fastest growing market segments. Our range has up to 60% less sugar,
100% more fibre,
vitamins for immune support,
billions of probiotics for a happy, healthy gut,
and nutritious energy to avoid the afternoon slumps.
Plus, they're all natural, gluten-free, vegan and palm oil-free to help save the orangutans.
What I love about the Perkier bars is that they've considered every ingredient, not just for flavour and taste, but for health benefit. So for example, they use chicory root fibre to help bind their bars instead of sugar and glucose syrups. And chicory root is a great prebiotic fibre that feeds the gut.
But with all of those health benefits, can they really taste that good?
Oh yes. 87% of consumers agree that Perkier bars are tasty, and we've got a 4.7 star rating on Amazon. On social, we have 55,000 Perky followers, and we have a brand ambassador programme including Team GB Olympians, reaching 1.6 million people.
Wholebake is a leading B Corp manufacturer in the UK. We make many of the healthy snacking brands on the fixtures you see today. We've got one customer which we actually love working with, which is Perkier. Perkier brings lots of innovation to the category, lots of new ideas and lots of energy. We work extensively with them on product development, but recently we've worked really extensively with them to extend their marketplace into international markets.
Hey, I'm Markku, and I'm an investor in Perkier. There's really three key reasons why I'm excited about this business. First, Anne and Steve are great industry experts and they have an exciting and clear vision. Second, Perkier is uniquely responding to some of the key consumer trends in their marketplace, and they are really becoming a leader in the emerging segment of gut health and immunity. And third, the speed and agility of Perkier's product innovation is fantastic.
With your support, we'll invest in growing our team. All our success to date has been with a team of just 4.
Digital marketing to drive growth on Amazon and retail.
And we'll continue to innovate, bringing outstanding products to market, meeting the most exciting consumer trends.
This is your chance to invest. Join us today.
And let's make the world a Perkier place.